Hello iTechnology reviewers, how are you guys? Let's do a video for the Bower and Wilkins PI8 with these new earphones that are having 24 bits dual driver and the great sound. Well guys, you know there is an application, and if I'm holding these earbuds into my ear, I have two possibilities with the buttons. They are touch sensitive, and with the buttons I can select, for example, Google Assistant or tap to activate noise cancellation. Now go and download the application of Bower and Wilkins music / Bower and Wilkins. And here guys, if we are going to home, we have the noise cancellation pass-through and off, and to the settings we have the PI8 connected, if you are seeing now into the screen. So by default, if I'm holding the left bud, I can activate the noise cancellation. If I'm holding once again, it goes to the pass-through into the environment control to hear what's going on into the room. But I like also to the off possibility. The off possibility is like also noise cancellation, between noise cancellation and pass-through. It's something into the middle. You cannot hear all the things on the room, but it leaves you a possibility to hear something. And it could be a useful thing for the Bower and Wilkins to make some kind of holding or tapping, holding twice to get it off. And with the right button you can hold for activation the Google Assistant. If you have Google Assistant, I don't use with the Google Assistant, but you can have this possibility for those of you who work. I worked before with Google Assistant. I think it's great to work with your electronics, to give commands, to play music, to start devices in your home. Google, it's amazing what he's done with the technology, and also YouTube. And returning to the application, in touch controls you can put volume control. This is a new thing from Bower and Wilkins we see only into the application. Now I can touch and hold the right one to increase the volume, or touch the left one to decrease the volume. This is great when you're running or when you do sport activities. You cannot go to the phone and you take the phone minus plus the volume control. It's efficient without losing any time or creating you a discomfort, to use the earbuds, which is a very good thing. Now guys, let's continue this short video. We have the advanced equalizer. The advanced EQ, well, it's great, and I'm going to tell you why it's great. I made like this the equalizer. I put the highs on 3. I think above 3 will create a distortion, so you can set up these earphones to bring the maximum, the best you can bring out of PI8. And this equalizer is why is so good, because you can use it after you uninstall the application. This preset will remain into the memory of your earphones. You can test this, for example, put this mids and all of this put it down and uninstall the application, and now you can test this feature to see that will remain after you uninstall this application. And this means you can use it with your smartwatch, every one of the smartwatches, your TV, your phone, everything, with everything around you, and will remain the equalizer, which I was looking for so long in Samsung. It's a pity they didn't make for the for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. And guys, these are the tips and tricks. You can, with the wear sensor put at 1, it will automatically mute your sound when you put down your earbuds, and it's another great thing. Watch our videos and subscribe for this channel, because we have a lot of tips and tricks for the earphones, not necessarily the Bower and Wilkins, and we salute our fans from Bower and Wilkins. On this channel you will find a lot of tips and tricks for the earphones, for the headphones, and a lot of tips how to increase and profit to the maximum of your hardware or your electronics. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. See you guys. Bye.